All right, so let's imagine you guys are out there running out to your vehicle right now. You're hitting the unlock button just to discover that your car's not unlocking because of one of two things. Maybe the car battery's dead, or maybe the key fob battery's dead. Now you have stuff in the vehicle that's not unlocking. How do I get in there to get my supplies out? Well, I have a way. Let me show you now. All right, so first step is grab your key fob. You're going to notice there's going to be multiple sides to the key fob. There's going to be a black one with a Mazda emblem on it, and then a plain black solid side. This is important because this is the lid where the key is going to be at. All right, now you're also going to notice there's going to be chrome action versus buttons. Now that's important to know because once you hit the release, you're going to slide this cover back towards the button side. Okay, now the release is going to be right up here on the top. So we'll turn this around so I can access it. There we go. Button side, grab the top, pull it towards me, towards the buttons. As you can see, it's off a little bit, pops right open, and there's a key. So grab that key, and then we're gonna walk right to the door now. All right, so now we got the key. We walk here towards the driver's side door, and you come down and look around the handle, you don't see a keyhole. So now we're in panic mode, right? No, because it's hidden. All you have to do is come up here to the driver's side door handle, pull this bad boy up, you see a keyhole, you put that right in there, and you turn it, and it opens right up. Now you have access to the inside of your vehicle with a dead car battery or a dead fob battery. You're good to go, guys.